Hi everyone, I'm Rick from Mercie J Auto Care, where compassion and craftsmanship come together. This is my business partner Michael, and he's going to shoot the video today. So, Michael, I think what everybody was asking was they want to know what are some common problems with batteries and maybe how you solve them.
Okay. All right, so today I'm going to talk about three issues: loose battery terminals, corrosion, and also internal battery fracture. So the first thing, pretty simple. Cable onto the, you got your battery cable terminal end, goes onto the battery terminal, and if it's loose, if you could take it and wiggle it, it's loose, tighten it up. If for some reason you can't tighten it up, it may be stretched, and which then we would probably need to replace that terminal end for you. The second item would be corrosion, battery terminal corrosion, which we would see like battery acid build up between this cable end and the actual battery terminal. During this video, if you wanted to zoom here on this battery terminal, you could kind of see how it's just really kind of just dark and doesn't have a nice clean surface. So that could cause what I call a resistance issue and cause a no start. Another issue is what we call internal fracturing, or where the battery itself inside breaks down. One of the issues that we've seen is that when the battery hold down is missing, so the mechanism that actually holds this battery to your vehicle, if it's missing while you're driving down this road, this battery can actually kind of bounce on you, and then it could break what we call the plates inside the battery and cause premature failure. One of the solutions for the corrosion is that there is a battery that's an AGM battery, which is like a glass mat battery that doesn't use liquid inside of it. So it actually reduces almost eliminates all the corrosion in your battery. And the other thing would be is that the location of where some of these manufacturers put in the batteries, we've been noticing that they're moving them to like the trunk or underneath the back seat. They're trying to keep them cooler, and a lot of times they will actually last a lot longer. So thank you for watching. Again, my name is Michael Glennon with Mercie J Auto Care. Please like and subscribe, and blessings to you.